This video will focus on what we call a bookmark as well as what we call hyperlinks. Now first we're going to start with a hyperlink, and this is a way in which you can either by clicking on a word in a text or a link in a text, it will take you to either a different document, to a website, to be able to send an email directly to someone. And I'm going to use here at the bottom where we've got the word Google. I'm going to select Google. I'm going to go in my insert tab. I'm going to go to links. I'm going to click on the link icon, and this will open up. So here you can see a bunch of different documents. So this is currently my downloads folder, where you can either go to existing file or a web page, a place in this document. You can click on it to create a new document as well as to send an email. Now since this is Google, all I'm going to type in is www.google.com. I see I've made a comma there, not a full stop. So you can see the website gets created. We can create a screen tip that will say takes you to Google. If I press OK and press OK again, you can see that the word Google has now changed its color. If I hover my mouse over it, it says takes you to Google, and if I control and click on it, it's going to open up Google for me in a new tab. So as you can see, it has actually went to a previously created web browser already with some tabs that I have been working with. Now, the difference between a bookmark and a hyperlink is your hyperlink you click on it and it will take you to different types of places. Now, if we look at a bookmark, we can say, okay, I want a bookmark. What is my bookmark's name? So this is going to be top, and a location, and say add. Okay, technically this one's going to be bottom because it's at the bottom of our document. So I'm going to then rename or delete this one, say bottom, press add, and then if I scroll all the way to the top, select my text somewhere here, click links, bookmark, I'm going to type this one as top, add it, and now if I go to my links in my bookmarks, I can go bottom, I say go to, and it takes me to the bottom of my document. So as I said, the big difference between a link and or hyperlink and a bookmark is your bookmark moves you within this document alone, where your hyperlink can either take you in this document to a specific place, you can open up a new document, you can open up a web browser to a website, as well as send an email or open up an existing file.